So what's up you guys, Dionysius here, welcome to the Midas Touch, where I hope to help you make sense of every dollar. Great news! My family will be benefiting a lot if anything were to happen to me right now. Yes, that's right, I have finally bought my insurance. In today's video, I would like to talk about my current insurance coverage and how important this is for my personal finance journey. But before I continue with today's video, here is a photo of a disclaimer so that I could be more efficient with my videos. I also want to take this chance to ask you to smash the thumbs up button below to encourage me to continue making such videos for you. At a glance, here is my coverage. I'm protected against death at $700,000, against total and permanent disability at $700,000, accident at $300,000, critical illness at $300,000, and early critical illness at $200,000. And here are the insurance costs that I paid to achieve this amount of insurance coverage. As what you can see here, even though my group term life insurance policy actually provides a lot of the coverage, it is actually cheaper compared to the cost that I pay to sustain my whole life insurance. An important thing to note is that my early critical illness coverage provided by the group insurance is actually quite limited in scope, but I guess this is something that I will have to live with, considering the fact that early critical illness insurance products that are available in the market right now are actually quite expensive. Well, my financial advisor... Wait, what? Dion, you have a financial advisor? Are you okay? Yes, I have a financial advisor. Are you sure? In all my videos, I have always been quite clear that I have nothing against financial advisor. What I have a problem with are unethical financial advisors who would actually straight up lie to their customers simply because they want to hit their sales target. So back to my financial advisor, he went through some numbers with me and we decided that I needed a total coverage of the following: $420,000 against death, $912,000 against total and permanent disability, $600,000 against critical illness, and $200,000 against early critical illness. Clearly, you will have noticed that there is still a shortfall of around $200,000 against total and permanent disability and $300,000 for coverage against critical illness. And hence, my next step would actually be to supplement my group insurance by asking my financial advisor to compare, which he already did, against several insurance companies to help me source for the cheapest insurance that could help me settle this shortfall. Another condition that I set for him was that I would wish to diversify across insurer risk. And so, moving forward, there's a very high chance that I will be getting a term life with TBD and critical illness rider that is around $200,000. And then I would actually live with the shortfall of $100,000 for my total and permanent disability, or actually cover that as soon as possible by building up my net worth. So now I would like to talk about how I feel after I settled most of my insurance needs. I actually feel secure. With my insurance now, I know that I'll be quite safe in the event that misfortune were to happen to me. Of course, I wouldn't want that to happen. No amount of money could replace your presence for those that love you. But the great thing is actually I could now focus on investing my money without worrying that my returns will be wiped clean because of a misfortune. This has a liberating effect on my investing approach. It definitely doesn't mean that I could now YOLO or yeet all my life savings into the next hottest stock. It just meant that I could take this insurance load off my mind and focus on getting better at my job, so that I could earn more money. To be honest, I have friends around me who would actually invest into the stock market even though they may not have adequate or even have any insurance coverage. I am concerned about them, and I also wish for nothing bad to happen to them, else their investment gain will be for nothing. Sorry to end on such a negative note. Do comment below how you are going to structure your insurance. Are you planning to source your protection from group insurance or your personal insurance? So if you like my content today, do smash the thumbs up button below for the YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.